Okay, I'm good.
Oh my god.
Just on the side, we'll get the most questions.
Alright, so today I invite some future star from MLC. Yeah. So they're currently year 10. Yeah.
Yes.
And then going to VC and also IB. So I want them to share some experience. And Sophia and Alice is doing IB. And then Olivia is doing VC. Yeah. So just now we actually have some chat about why VC and IB though. But anything you guys want to share?
I regret not joining RL sooner. Because like I joined, I joined halfway through. So like the content beforehand I didn't know. So now I'm like trying to sprint while they're like already running. So yeah, if I joined earlier then I would have known that content and I can apply it to the classes now.
It's right, we can catch up very soon. What do you want to do in uni then?
Med.
In
Monash.
And then for you?
Bed.
In
UK.
Okay. When did you come up with this goal?
This year.
This year.
Right before the subject selection.
Wow.
Oh, okay, cool.
That was like a couple weeks ago.
Just because I like animals and then just being a vet can...
And then, Alice?
Because I grew up playing basketball, so like when I got injured I'd go physio or whatever, and I'd constant like med checkups and like, oh, that's like the environment around me.
Olivia?
Huh?
So tell how talented you are. Like your painting.
I'm painting. Oh yeah, I started drawing since I was 3 and I just keep on drawing.
And then your painting have been...
Oh yeah, my painting have been visited at 卢浮宫怎么说?
真的啊?
Yeah.
And then, okay, so what do you want to do in uni? Or you want to go...
I wanna
Oh,
go
that one, that's the
university. In America.
America.
Yeah.
And then how do you
illustration.
make this happen?
By studying hard at RL.
Don't know why did IB.
Because it's more like international.
I don't know.
I don't even want to do
I want to do it. I'm doing VCE.
So IB is hard. What's your plan for these 2 years then?
Study.
And you must have friends doing VC, right? So do you compare between why I have to study so hard?
Yeah, with Jess. Yeah.
And then how do you overcome this? Do you think this is a pleasure or this is bad?
I think
or
it's a
actually
pleasure.
this is part of your challenge?
Because like the more you know, the better. Like you'd rather practice more and know more than slack off and know less.
Now you're in Geelong.
Yeah.
And then you went to Timbertop. Then you missed out 1 year. So
Yeah,
what's the
missed
feeling?
1 year.
And to catch up?
It's really
Stress or-
stress and struggling to catch up to everyone else, and
Up until now, term 3.
no, I'm not stressed anymore. I got 89% in my test. Yay!
So next one 98. 98%.
Ah. I'll try. IB first.
I had a lack of motivation at the beginning for studying maths, and I feel like RL's weekly classes and like the weekly homework really motivated me to keep pushing, learning new content, and keep trying.
Because last year I was in Timbertop, so I literally like not studying anything for math. So this year, RL actually helped me to catch up and like pushing me through the terms and helping me a lot.
Because the content we're doing at school is basically the same as what we did in IL, and I think the techniques and advices that Ricky gave us can apply to the schoolwork as well.
During classes, there's a mentor walking around, so you can ask questions to them whilst Ricky is explaining stuff to other students, like for clarification or if you're having trouble with a question.
I feel like everyone's pretty motivated, and whenever I'm distracted and try to do something else, I'm going back to my work really quickly because I thought that everyone else doing the work and I have to like work harder.
What's the big changes between year 9 and year 10?
Workload.
Workload already.
Yeah, like the teachers expect more from you, and there's more like self-study.
Yeah, the standard is like higher.
You need to do more voluntary works.
Yeah.
How about time management then?
Time management. You need to manage your time better because you got more works, but you still got the enough the limited time.
5 years time still in uni.
I hope, Olivia, I hope you will be in RISD and in major of illustration, and yes, I hope you will be in RISD.
I hope future Alice is happy in her uni life, studying hopefully med, and having a fun time while not stressing too much.
I hope I can study at UK and then learning the veterinary science.
Let's make this happen.
Aww.
Make this happen. Make this happen. 1, 2, 3. Yay!